Do you want to connect your Brother MFC-L2717DW printer to Wi-Fi but don't know the process? Worry not. Here, I'm going to explain you everything in no time. Also, if you're facing some major problem or need expert assistance, then call the numbers displayed on the screen. Alright, now let's complete your printer's Wi-Fi setup. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. On the printer's control panel, first you need to press the menu button. After that, keep pressing down the arrow button until you find the network option. Press the OK button to select the network option. To select the networks, press the down arrow button, choose WLAN, then hit the OK button. Now, you will see the Setup Wizard option. Simply press the OK button to move forward. After that, the Brother printer will start searching for the Wi-Fi networks within its range. From the available Wi-Fi networks names, select yours and then press OK key. After that, you need to type the correct password under the network key section. Once you have entered the correct password, hit the OK button. Next, you will see the Apply Settings screen. Choose Yes to complete the connection. After that, the wireless Wi-Fi connection will be complete. Press OK to finish the process. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.